Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you my quick and easy makeup routine. For this look, I'm only going to use 4 affordable makeup products. This simple look is great for casual days or when you're at school. And because this would only take 3 minutes, it's going to be helpful for those who's always in a hurry but still want to look fresh and blooming. The first product I'm going to use is the Fit Me Concealer from Maybelline. And yeah, I don't like using foundation on a daily basis, so to cover up imperfections, this concealer is enough. As you have seen, I've already applied the product under my eyes to cover my dark circles. I'd also like to apply a bit on my nose bridge, then blend. The next product I'll be using is the pressed powder from Max Factor. I really like the formula of this product. It doesn't irritate my skin like other pressed powder do. But don't expect this to have a high coverage since it's just powder. So if you're like me who doesn't like to apply liquid foundation on a daily basis but wants more coverage, then I suggest you to use the Max Factor Compact Foundation. The price is higher though. Moving on to the brows. The eyebrow pencil I'll use is from the Face Shop. Define your brows but keep them looking natural. You have to stick with the natural shape of your brows. The fourth and the last product I'm gonna use is the water tint from Etude House. Dab few dots on the apples of your cheeks and blend quickly with your fingertip. Do the same on the other cheek. Using the same product, apply into the inner part of your lips and use your fingertip to blend it out. Then, repeat. So that's it! Quick and easy. Thanks for watching. God bless.